Okay, we started off with 4 boxes of our tricolor rotini, perfectly cooked. Next, I have my diced tomato that we're gonna put right on the top of our pan. Look how delicious that looks. We used about 3 large tomatoes and diced it up just nice and beautiful. Now we have our sliced mini cucumbers that we're going right next to our tomatoes. This is a super easy, super delicious summertime dish that everyone loves. And we're just kind of getting that right there. We used about 2 packages of our mini cucumbers. Now for protein, we have 24 ounces of our cooked sliced chicken. And it does have a little bit of seasoning in there, yum. And then I like some diced ham with this, so we're gonna add some diced ham right there. This was 1 package of our diced ham. Now, if you don't like diced ham, you can skip it, but I just feel like it goes so nicely with all of these other flavors. All right, now we're coming in with our sharp cheddar cheese, and we got the big one, and we're gonna put that right in the center of our entire pan. We are making this for an army. Just kidding. We're making this for our friends and our neighbors. We just wanted to make sure we can make a big batch and give it to anyone and everyone that wants some. Yum! We're gonna start off with our ranch dressing, and we have the big guns, and we are going to add a generous amount of our ranch dressing because we want this to be nice and dressed. If you couldn't tell, we are making a pasta salad. I absolutely love this version of a pasta salad because it's so easy to make a large amount, but you can make as little or as much as you like. And we're not just doing ranch, we are also doing Italian. The combo of these two are a hit, and we're gonna add a generous amount of our Italian, and of course we're using the Olive Garden Italian because it is my absolute favorite. Now you can make your own dressings if you prefer, but I really love the Hidden Ranch and the Olive Garden, so this is what we're doing, and we're just making sure that we have enough dressing for all of those ingredients. That's why we have the big versions of both. And for seasoning, we have our ranch dip seasoning. Ooh, this is just gonna add the best flavor to this dish, and we're gonna use this whole packet of ranch seasoning. I'm getting a little terrified of starting to mix this, but I think it's gonna go over well because I know how to mix very well. And then I am gonna add a little bit of pepper just to kind of add some savoriness to this. This is optional. Some people don't like pepper on their pasta salad, but I do, so I'm gonna add a good amount, and we're gonna do that super quick. Okay, now for the moment you guys have been waiting for, it is time to mix this. We wanna make sure that everything gets nice and dressed. We still have our dressings on the side, so if we need to add more because it feels dry, we get to do that. We wanna make sure we add our chicken in there, our ham in there, and I like to do the little rows of my pasta salad so that you guys can easily see what ingredients I'm adding and, you know, write down the recipe as we make this. But oh my goodness, it's gonna be so refreshing. It is 80 degrees here, and I just love a nice cool pasta salad, and I think my neighbors and friends are also gonna really appreciate this, and they're gonna get a nice hunk of this. I washed all of my vegetables. We have that nicely cooked chicken, that diced ham, and then that beautiful cheddar cheese. So we're just gonna mix this until we feel like it is well combined. Okay, I don't think you guys are gonna believe me, but I was able to mix this entire thing without anything falling out of the pan. Yep, I did that. Now it is time to serve this up. You can pop it in the fridge to let it cool a little bit more, but I am too excited and too hungry, and we're just gonna get a big serving because I love pasta salad, and I just feel like this is gonna be absolutely incredible.
It looks so good.
All right, got my big serving here. It's clobbering time. I'm just kidding.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. That is incredible.